You look bald-headed.
Okay. Hey guys, so I'm here with my fave, Adriana, getting my XRS look. She's like, hey, yes. Getting my XRS wig installed. So the box is over there, but the wig is right here. Are you taking the combs out?
Combs out.
So yeah, here's
so
the
it
wig.
don't irritate it.
Here's the lace, as you guys can see. There's the box. Yes, model. So it's 26 inches, so y'all, it is long. This is my, I want to say, second time getting an XRS wig installed. The first time was when I went to Vegas. It was a curly wig. The lace on that was amazing. The hair on that was amazing. So highly recommend XRS when y'all ask me where to get like affordable, high quality wigs. I do throw XRS's name in the mix. So we're gonna get this wig installed and I'm just gonna show you that process. So before we hop in, let me show you the difference between XRS lace and their competitors, which honestly don't hold a candle to XRS. So here we have the regular transparent lace, and then we have regular brown lace. So regular transparent, regular brown. This is XRS clear lace. I feel like you can already see the difference between the three, but I'm going to use Got To Be. Spray it on my arm, and I'm going to lay each lace on my arm so you can see the difference. See, the XRS clear lace literally just melts into my skin, whereas we have the brown lace, you can still see that, and it's darker. It creates a bit of a shadow. And then last, we have transparent lace, which, as you can see, isn't really melting. Let me spray a little bit more spray just to be fair. The regular transparent lace hasn't melted completely. You can still see it. It has a cast to it because it hasn't been tinted. And then the brown lace is just not my skin tone, and it's not matching or blending well. The only lace on my arm that you absolutely cannot see is the XRS clear lace. Highly recommend XRS and their clear lace. Let's go ahead and hop into the install.
Tell me what you want, babe. I'll do whatever it takes. I'll make you my favorite. Tell me what you want now. I will give it somehow. I will be the best, babe. I wanna have fun with you tonight. I wanna have
Only this girl can get me to do crimps, because don't come back asking me for no crimps.
It's gonna be on our website.
It's not,
And y'all can book.
and you can't book crimps. They take too long.
Yes.
But okay. Bald head, scally wet. You got to go here at the back.
It's so pretty.
It is. You're welcome. I'm actually gonna break it down and still do my plucking routine that I do,
Okay.
and then we're gonna put it down.
Okay.
What you want to put a band in it?
Can we?
'Cause I was just gonna do Got To Be. Whatever you want to do, but I gotta hurry up.
Okay, let's put a band in real quick.
Okay. You want the thick band or you want the
thick band.
Okay. You look bald headed.
Okay. You want to do baby hairs or no?
Yeah. You want baby hairs? Or no? No matter.
Let's do it without baby hairs.
Without? Without? Okay.
Okay.
Girl.
I'm trying something new.
You doing a photo shoot in this?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah. I would say no baby hairs then.
Okay. No baby hairs. There it is. Oh, yes.
Ow. It needs to be pulled for it.
It hurts, but yeah.
It hurt?
My ear.
Where?
my ear right here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So that's what it does. Like,
I'm just straightening it out real quick.
It's
It's
snug. It
snug.
is so snug. I love it. I love my wigs to
I
like.
feel like
Make a lot of love on Monday. Never need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching the positions for you. Getting in the kitchen and in the bedroom. Putting me in the next day I'm looking through. All my love and there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I won't do. Switching for you, perfect, perfect. You're too good to be true. But I get tired of running. Fuck it, now I'm running with you. With you. So boy, I'm tryna meet your mama on a Sunday. I make a lot of love on a Monday. I need no one else, babe. 'Cause I'll be switching the positions for you. Get you down in the bedroom. On me, the next day I'm looking through. All my love and there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I won't do. Switching for you. Getting in the kitchen and in the bedroom. On me, the next day I'm looking through. All my love and there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I won't do. Switching for you. There's some shit that I usually don't do. But for you I kinda want to. 'Cause you're down for me and I'm down too. Yeah, I'm down to. Switching the positions for you. There's some shit that I usually don't do. But for you I kinda want to. 'Cause you're down for me and I'm down too. Switching the positions for you. Get you down in the bedroom. On the next day I'm looking through. All my love and there's nothing.
We're done. This is what the lace is looking like. We did no baby hairs just to show you how good this XRS lace is. So this is what the crimps look like. This is what the hair looks like. She's sick of
She'll
me.
have baby hairs tomorrow.
I will not. I will not. I'm not gonna
Looks
put
good with no
hairs
baby
on this wig. I
hairs.
think it looks really cute without baby hairs.
And put your scarf on.
Of course. Gotta tie this hair down. Okay. So that's it, y'all. Thanks for coming to the salon with me. Thank you to my stylist, my fave, Adriana. Her information will be on the screen in the description box down below. And thank you to XRS for sponsoring this video. Until next time, stay beautiful. Love you guys. Bye.
Relax your mind. Lay back and groove with mine. You gotta feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie.